If OneNote is showing error 400001, don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through a simple fix that usually solves the problem in just a few minutes. This is a common sign-in or authentication issue, and the good news is that you can often repair it by signing out of OneNote, clearing any saved credentials, and signing back in cleanly. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step tutorials. Let's start with the easiest method first. Open OneNote on your computer and look to the top corner of the app. You should see your profile picture or your account name there. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, choose Sign Out. This removes the current account session from OneNote and forces the app to reconnect with fresh login data. After signing out, make sure you close OneNote completely. Don't just minimize it, actually exit the app so it fully shuts down. If you're on Windows, you can also check the taskbar or system tray to make sure OneNote is no longer running in the background. This step matters because a partially open app can keep the same broken session alive. Now reopen OneNote. When it launches, click Sign In and log back into your Microsoft account. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix error 400001. OneNote will rebuild the connection, refresh your account tokens, and load your notebooks normally again. If the error still appears after signing out and signing back in, then Windows may be storing a damaged credential token in Credential Manager. That's very common with Microsoft apps, especially when the login data gets out of sync. So let's clear those saved credentials next. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, type Credential Manager, and press Enter to open it. Inside Credential Manager, click Windows Credentials. This is where Windows stores login information for apps, services, and Microsoft products. Scroll down until you reach the Generic Credentials section. Now look carefully for any entries that contain Microsoft Office 16, OneNote, or Office. These are the saved credentials that may be causing the sign-in problem. Click each related item and then choose Remove. If you see more than one entry connected to Microsoft Office or OneNote, remove the ones clearly linked to your account and Office sign-in. Once those credentials are deleted, close Credential Manager and restart OneNote again. Then sign back into your Microsoft account one more time. This gives OneNote a fresh authentication token instead of reusing the damaged one that was stored before. After logging back in, give the app a moment to sync. OneNote may need a few seconds to reconnect your notebooks and re-establish the account session. In most cases, this will clear error 400001 and allow everything to load normally again. If you're still having trouble after that, double check that you're using the correct Microsoft account and that OneNote is updated to the latest version. But for most users, simply signing out, clearing the Microsoft Office 16 or OneNote credentials, and signing in again fixes the issue fast. I hope this helped you fix OneNote error 400001. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.